that seems to pick up pretty well. Oh, I got it in my eyeball. Hey guys, it's Jessica and welcome back to another video. So I finally got March's BoxyCharm. I have some thoughts. Let's go ahead and go through everything and see what all's in it. Something that really disappoints me about BoxyCharm is lately I feel like their packaging has just gotten like kind of lazy. Like they don't put any kind of, they used to have like protective foam in it, and they used to have an insert that had information on all the products and how much they cost and everything. I get like cutting back on packaging, you know, it's bad for the environment, it costs money. So I understand cutting back, but like I feel like the insert is kind of important. People want to know what they're getting. People want to know what the value of the box is, want to know more information about it and how to use it. And they haven't sent that the past 2 months. Last month they sent it through email, but I remember I got multiple emails because they have multiple variations of the boxes. And so it just seemed very lazy to me that they quit putting the insert in, and then they just, instead of just sending you the one for your box, they sent you all the variations. And I was like, I didn't even get half these products. Why are you sending me like 5 emails? This month, they didn't even do that. They didn't even send an email insert. Other people have called them out for that. And then they had the whole controversy with people finding out that some of the products in the box are not the same formula and ingredients as, you know, if you bought them straight from the brands. They don't really seem to address these things very well. I don't know, I'm kind of getting over it. Let's just look and see if their website even has the insert. It just has every single product listed that could have possibly been in your box. We'll just move on. The Sutra Beauty Mini Ceramic Curling Iron. It came in this little insert, and then these are some of their other products available, and they have other styling tools. And I actually thought this was kind of, I don't know how much I'll be able to use it because it is tiny. It would take forever to curl my hair with this. I do like that the cord, it has this like twisty thing, and I like the color of it. It's cute and purple. And this is good, I think, if you have short hair. It'd probably be more of like a touch-up tool. This retails for $50. The next thing I got is the Hank & Henry Living in Color palette. This retails for $27. I don't really know anything about them or if they're good or not. And the box is kind of cool. I was not wowed by the colors. These ones look really cool. Like that blue one, that shimmery blue one, that one actually looks pretty cool. It's got 9 shades in it and they're really small. The pans are really small and it's $27. Like, is Hank & Henry an expensive brand? Maybe I'm just being picky and just don't know how valuable they are. The next thing I got is the it says on the website KVD Vegan Beauty Lash Liner, but the box still says Kat Von D. I don't really know how this works. What's a lash liner? I don't know, we'll figure it out. That retails for $20. Yeah, I got the Vintage by Jessica Laviskind. I feel like the B is pronounced different, but I don't know how it's supposed to be pronounced. Sparkling lip gloss. This retails for $25. Maybe it's amazing. I've never heard of this brand. My first impression of the gloss is it looks kind of like, it looks very like early 2000s-ish that like I would have worn when I was like 10. I don't know, maybe it's great. We'll try that out. Oh, you could have gotten the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream and Coco Cabana Cream. Oh, the Coco Cabana cream is like my favorite. I wish I had gotten that. This last thing I got is the Project Beauty Hair Gurt. Both of those words sound gross. I was like, hair gut sounds gross, but hair gurt sounds kind of gross too. It's the Project Beauty Hair Gurt Almond Honey Intense Repair, and it is a hair mask with prebiotics, quinoa, and super botanicals for beautiful hair, sulfate and paraben free. A hair mask you use after shampoo and conditioning. And you know, I obviously bleach the shit out of my hair, so I need some damage repair. This retails for $10. I already did the rest of my face of things that did not come in the box, so let's try some of this shit out. First, we're gonna start off with the Living in Color Hank & Henry. Got some little some brown shades that are, and they're matte. That might be good for some kind of transitioning. I'll start with this like kind of orangey brown color. Oh, that seems to pick up pretty well. Oh, that's actually cute. I actually like that. And then I'm gonna go in with a darker shade to like deepen my crease. I think I'm gonna use this dark brown shade here. It's kind of neutrally. Let's try putting the matte blue on like the outside. Oh shit. You see how pigmented that is? I did not expect that. Oh my gosh, that looks nice. I like that shit. I kind of want to put this color all over my face. I'm gonna blend it out, don't worry. Lots of fallout. I put some more of that dark brown in the crease. I went ahead and did some of this ish to my other eye. So I think now I'm ready to go in with the shimmery one. I like the colors of these shadows, but I don't know if it's like just this shade or the other shades. I feel like they're not blending very well. And then when I put the brown in the crease, it just doesn't look good. And like, I mean, I'm not like, you know, an amazing blender or anything, but I feel like I'm a little bit better than like what's showing up right now, especially on this eye. I just can't get it to blend. Let's go in with this shimmery one that I've been dying to try. It looks like mermaid scales. Try this darker one down here. It's kind of a greenish blue. Next, we're going to use the KVD lash liner. I had to look it up because I didn't know how to use it. Apparently, it's like waterproof, long-lasting, long-wearing eyeliner for your waterline. And so it's like for people who have a hard time keeping color there. So we're gonna try that. That actually sounds pretty cool. So we're gonna try this. Oh, I got it in my eyeball. I like the idea, but I feel like the tip is just too big. I got like black eyeliner floating around in my eyes. Actually, it looks pretty good. Do you see that? Okay, so I finished off my eyes, put false lashes on. I didn't put mascara on, but you know, whatever. I just have fake lashes on. These are actually another set of magnetic lashes that I'm testing out. So that will be in a different video soon. The last thing I have to try is the lip gloss. This is $25 lip gloss. Shit better be good. There's like zero smell. Normally lip gloss kind of has a smell, but that has zero smell. It looks pretty on the lips, but like it does that yucky thing where it sticks together. It looks like drool hanging between your lips. So this is not a favorite. This is like some Claire's lip gloss. I think most of the products are pretty cool. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And if you did, then please subscribe and stick around for some more. And I'll see you guys in my next video.